Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if this is your very first time here, please let me know in the comments below how you found my channel. On this channel, I do clothing hauls, black love, travel vlogs, and of course, my main wig reviews. And we going to jump right into this video, okay? So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. And you already know, so this is a glueless unit. I don't feel like there is enough support like right here. Like I would have preferred maybe the 5x5 closure because I could have just left out a little bit of my edges, but I don't feel like there's enough support here for this to be completely glueless. I did go in the back. I did it off camera because I needed to see my mirror, but I did adjust the elastic band back there and made it as tight as possible. And I don't have a headache so far. I do have a wig grip on as well. And I do feel like there needs to be a little bit more support like right here. So yeah, I think for this unit, if it's going to be glueless, there needs to be more support right here. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to glue it down if I wanna like wear it up and things like that. So welcome back. Today's unit was sent to me by Luvme Hair, so thank you for collaborating with me again for another unit. So this is the Natural Kinky Straight Glueless 13x4 Frontal HD Lace Wig. It's 100% human hair, and I got it in 24 inches, y'all. This is a little longer than what I'm usually used to, but I was like, I need something popping for the summer. This unit is going to be my summer wig. It is so freaking cute. I love the construction. I love the texture. I love the hair. Y'all, I'm so in love with this unit. I'm not taking it off. I just might sleep in it. I love the natural hair, and that's just what has been drawing me to certain wigs lately, because I want something that mimics my natural hair texture. You guys know, if you're a natural girly like me, and just someone with hair in general, you know, it's hard to constantly flat iron your hair and not put, you know, any damage to it. So, you know, the next option is wigs, and I'm loving this hair. I'm loving it. I love how I styled it. I did like a couple little curls curling up, and y'all, it's giving what it's supposed to give. It has a comb in the back, an adjustable elastic band back there as well, and there are some combs back there as well. But y'all, I feel like it's kind of like, this unit is glueless, as you can see, but I feel like if you want to style it, first of all, you know, you have to use the hot comb and all that stuff just to get like a flat look. But I feel like it's going to be a little difficult to be able to style this up without gluing it down, because when I'm pulling it up, it's coming up, as you guys can see. So I will say that this unit, if you want to style it up, I would suggest gluing it down, just not even a lot, just a little bit on the edges. That way, you know, your little flaps on the side ain't flapping in the wind. But I'm a lazy wig wearer, so I will be wearing this wig pretty much glueless. If I decide to go anywhere, you know, I might lay it down just a little right here to be able to pull the hair back, but I don't know. I'm a pretty chic and easy type of girl when it comes to, you know, my hair. Like I want it simple, but I love this. I am in love with this hair. It's big head friendly, it's comfortable. I do have the elastic band tight because otherwise this would have been flapping in the wind too. So I do have it like at the tightest setting back there, the adjustable elastic band, and it feels great. It feels great. I don't have a headache, so I'm happy about that. And this unit ranges on their website. It starts at $169, and that's for 10 inches. For mine, it costs about $379, which is, I think, is affordable, especially compared to a lot of other brands. You get HD lace, you get high quality hair, and y'all, yes, like it's giving what it's supposed to give, okay? I will say that this unit isn't tangling. There was a nice amount of shedding because I believe it's because of the texture and how it was sent to me. You know, you have to style this wig. You can't just wear it fresh out the box. You do have to do a little bit of work. I sat here for over an hour. Styling this hair, y'all. But moving forward, I will be able to just plop and go. Plop and go. I did use a darker foundation on the hairline, but I don't feel like it was dark enough, so I went in with my Fenty Matchstick in the color Espresso just along the hairline. I do feel like whenever you are trying to blend it in with your hairline, you should go a shade darker just so, you know, it just blends in with your foundation and your contour and things like that. But yeah, y'all, and then I went in with the middle part with the darker foundation as well. I felt like it was just like kind of smearing everywhere. I don't know if it was the brush or maybe I've had too much foundation on, but I did go in, wipe some of it off, and then I went in with my dark eyeshadow just to hide this little piece right here. I don't know what was going on right there, y'all, but yeah, so you can part this unit. You got free parting space. I wanted a middle part because middle parts just look flawless on me, y'all. They look flawless. So I wanted a middle part, but yeah, that's pretty much it, you know? Okay. There is a coupon code in the description box below, so make sure you guys check it out. And make sure you guys check out some of my other videos. I have a lot of collaborations with Luvme here. Make sure you follow me on social media. It's Donita_P on Instagram and TikTok. So, you know, make sure you guys tag me if you try the hair out, and let me know in the comments below what you like most about this unit. I want to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys next time.